What we have here is a very common situation. We have a clogged condensate drain line. See that it's full of water. And the problem is this float switch here is no good. It didn't get triggered, or it didn't do its job. So what a float switch does is it interrupts the signal going to the outdoor unit. Whenever the float goes up, whenever the little float goes up, these wires connected to it interrupt the signal that is going to the outdoor unit. That stops it from making any more condensation. And you can see there was definitely water damage in the sheetrock and stuff, and it's all full of water. Right now we're gonna vacuum it out. We're gonna blow out the lines and get it back up and running. But a good product to install is these rector seal float switches. This one goes in the pan, this one goes in the secondary, which I'm gonna have to open up a little bit because it's kind of hidden in there. The SS2 and the SS3 from Rector Seal, they'll get this job done. We'll prevent this from happening again. After I clear the line, I'm gonna install these safety switches.